Guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you the letter that was written by one of my subscribers. So her 3 earlier travel authorization requests um, for her husband who was in India were refused as she applied for travel authorization, but in the fourth attempt she was successful. So this is what had been written. Hi officer, we are contacting you in regards to the spouse open work permit application for our client Mr. So this was actually written by her representative, Mr. This. He has received his approval for spouse open work permit on this date. His wife Mrs. is a study permit holder and his study permit is valid till July 31st this date. As she is a temporary resident in Canada and her spouse needs to have an authorization letter so that he can travel to Canada without any hassle. They got married back in Jan 2019 and she came to Canada in August 2019. It has been approximately 1.5 years since they have met each other. They both have been yearning for each other's love, care and support. Our client has applied for his spouse open work with the hope of providing essential support to his wife. His approval of SOWP brought a new wave of happiness in their lives, but refusal of travel authorization has again brought gloominess in their lives. I'm feeling emotional. Due to the ongoing issue of COVID-19, is feeling depressed and alone. The fear and anxiety about the pandemic have caused an emotional breakdown and she is not able to cope with her studies. Social distancing and staying alone in an apartment have increased her stress level. Whenever give a call, most of the time she feels low and stressed by staying alone at home all the time. Her studies are online and most of the time she stays at home and study, but she is facing difficulty in coping with the stress in a healthy way. Our client is concerned about the mental health condition and well-being of his wife in Canada. She is having her final exam soon. Her husband just wants to come to Canada to accompany her so that she would be able to come out of the stress and anxiety. We believe that after meeting her husband and spending her quality time with him with the help of her health to become better, it will fulfill her with enthusiasm and joy and way she used to be before pandemic. Therefore, we would like to request IRCC to issue her husband an authorization letter so that he can join her spouse in Canada for the tough time she has been facing. We would like to request you to understand the pain of separation they have been bearing from a long time and oblige our client by issuing him the authorization letter to travel from India. We are providing the following information for your reference showing our client's eligibility to enter Canada. So they attached all the documents and other piece of information. She edited it because I told her not to share her personal info because privacy is important for everyone. So that's it for now, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in, feel always absolutely free to. Thank you, guys.